maybe if I put my leg up on yours, you know, we could split apart like... Good, yeah. Ready. On 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh! See that? No one's the camera.
Idiots. Fuck off.
Oh, fuck it, I'd have used yeah. Those go to the right hand side, and the clutch is on the right hand side, which is really weird. Oh, that's something shit. Fuck. What's going on?
I know.
Dick.
Move your
What? I got your camera. I got your camera. Got your camera. No. Fuck off. Yeah, you too. And you beat the horn at me, you fucking idiot. You beat the horn at me, you tell me off. You gotta give way to me. Fucking bitch!
Shit. 770.
An e-bike. Where's your bloody license?
He thinks you just pulled up the driveway.
Yep. Sure it is. Yeah. That's a copper.
I don't care.
I don't think he gives a shit.
Fuck you. Oh, wow. Good one, dickhead.
What the fuck's going on?
What's going on here?
Oh shit, where did you come from?
So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are here in Thetford and we've come to take a look. Oh, it's a bit...
Tell me you've got a little dick without telling me you've got a little dick.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
So Daddy, like if you drink it too fast like this, like too fast like this, Daddy.
Yeah, that's right. Right, okay. Box stick.
Denied.
Droid. Yes. Put a fucking indicator on, dickhead.
Whoa. What an idiot.
And he's going straight through the next one.
Closed. Constantine had closed for so long. When you pull it out, in summer, the way it's made, it's just designed to crack. That's a green light, idiot. I don't care. I'm a hobo.
An old guy hanging on to his teenage years.
Look how flat his tyres are, yeah.
And you ride like...
What we're dealing with here is a complete lack of respect for the law.
Fucking hell. Oh.
For Santa and ginger dead men and stuff like that. Yeah, sure. But it's time for us to look deeper into the folklore. Things like the two.
Brother, that is a left-only lane.
We need more mascots, but we need them for like adults. Folklore mascots. Yes. Sorry, am I not supposed to interject? Am I just supposed to sit quietly?
Oh, you're the host, man.
Yeah, you are. This is your show.
It's your show.
We're just here to tell you when you do it wrong, to yell at you, laugh at you, and make you suffer. The rest of
You idiot.
I complained a lot about it to him. He said he didn't know why there were so many viruses, and he kept doing it every single day. On top of that, corporate policy that no employee, even the owner, was to park in the customer lot. Most of us, being reasonable people, parked in one of the well-marked spots in the back lot. This company also had 3 managers who essentially served as CEO, COO, and CFO.
In New Hampshire, who got lost in the woods in dangerously cold conditions. Authorities responded to a 911 call from the child's mother, who said that her was in a light sweater, had walked out of the family's secured backyard in Dorchester after their 2 dogs pushed through their fence.
Praying, and then realizes they're not even human. And he's curious.
Oh, clever.
Much afraid for much of the encounter. And there's lots of details.
What a wanker.
All captured by investigator Lynn Stratton.
One that was kind of like
wanker. This could be you if you just buy my online course. So if you know how to become a dropshipper, you can have the life that I'm living. In one such video, a Swedish TikTok influencer called Sara is sitting next to a plate of...
It's beautiful and it's flawless. Sword of Orion was one of my favourite audiovisual stories. And when we started to do Big Finish, it was we talked about stories which we could adapt from the audiovisuals to make it.
Oh, nice.
And then, less than a year later... 3 wickets. It started off very, very poorly for the Australians. We lost a wicket. First ball after lunch, Marnus.
In your book, that whales don't actually sing the way we humans think of the term. What do you mean by that?
Right, so historically, since the 1970s, when the humpback whales are first described as six,
so to convert the longer form.
The following aspect. But did you notice this? Of course, this requires engagement. This requires time.
They are not paid enough to.
Who wrote and created this was actually really kind of interesting. Okay. So the one I could find the least information.
That's just not fair.
And
That's just not fair. I'm picking my granddaughter up in this. You're getting him in that. That's not fair.
Most of them aren't the best.
Have a good one, mate.
Some of them are bad.